Brainstorming is a method of generating ideas and sharing knowledge to solve clearly defined design problems. It is a perfect tool for idea generation in controlled conditions and a free-thinking environment. Teams produce a vast array of ideas and draw links between them to find potential solutions to a given problem or issue. There are lots of brainstorming techniques and tools available. Flipchart is the most common and basic brainstorming tool. It can be used as a starting point for idea generation. Post-it notes are another perfect and simple tool that can be used by groups where each participant develop ideas individually and the ideas can be freely rearranged on the surface. Alphabet brainstorming is a tool for a brainstorming session where participants are invited to work through the alphabet letter by letter. Brainwriting is a perfect technique to use online where everybody can silently participate and explore his or her ideas. Scamper is a technique you can use to spark your creativity and help you with any challenge in your life. It is based on the assumption that everything is a modification of something that already exists. Brainstorming is connected with communication that is related to the process of understanding and sharing meaning. It is the act of transferring information from one place, person, or group to another. Good communication means that when an interlocutor sends a message it is received without any distortion in meaning. Communication is crucial in almost every aspect of effective organizations and teamwork. There are different types of communication, such as verbal communication that is the transmission of an idea or message using words. It can take many forms such as face-to-face conversations, group discussions, and telephone calls. Verbal communication can be divided into oral communication that happens through spoken words, and conversations and written communication like letters, references, reports or newsletters. Another type of communication is a nonverbal communication that is usually understood as the process of communication through sending and receiving wordless messages such as gestures, facial expressions, tone of voice, eye contact. Nonverbal messages are often unconscious to the speaker. Most nonverbal communication reveals attitudes and emotions as opposed to the verbal communication that is most used in expressing ideas. People can learn to improve their communication by using simple messages, by adjusting their communication style, using formal and informal communication, by inviting their listeners, asking for their opinions and comments, and by interacting with the audience. Observing the language and body language of a person may give additional information about their message or position. People always want to be understood, and it is important to take their concerns seriously and to understand their points of view and situation. Best communicator and best listener are almost always the same person. If somebody can listen to other people, it means that the person can also communicate effectively. That's it. Thank you so much for your time and attention. We really hope you learned something new about brainstorming and communication. For more information about the types and benefits of brainstorming, techniques for efficient communication, types of conversation, please do not hesitate to go through the rest of GIST course on the Project e-learning platform or visit the project website and its YouTube channel. Also, you can contact any of the 6 partners of Consortium for more information about the project.